In this demonstration, we'll go through the steps to installing a primed pine board and batten wall. Here's a list of tools you'll need to complete your project. This is a list of materials you'll need for your project. You'll start by determining the number of primed pine boards needed for your board and batten wall by measuring your wall's length and height. From there, you'll determine your desired spacing between boards that will best meet your intended design style. You'll first need to prep your wall prior to the install. You'll begin by filling any surface scratches and/or nail holes that are currently present on your wall with nail filler. Once the nail filler is completely dry, you'll use a high-grit 180+ sandpaper to sand the filled holes until smoothed flush with the rest of your wall. Your next step will be to use your stud finder to locate and mark the stud placements on the wall with a pencil. This will be useful later when installing your boards as securely as possible by nailing into as many studs as you can. Next, you'll mark the placements of the boards on your wall as designed. Now you're ready to install your primed pine boards to the wall. First, start by installing your top header board flush with the ceiling across the full length of your wall. It's best to first fasten your header board in the middle of the wall to a stud. From there, you'll move outwards by continuing to fasten your header board into the remaining stud locations. Next, you'll install your baseboard. Place your board flush to either the existing base trim or flush to the floor. Nail your baseboard to the wall at each stud interval. Now, you'll install your left and right end vertical boards. Your next step will be to install your horizontal boards. Use a level to make sure your board is straight. Then proceed with fastening your board to the wall and hitting stud marks as you go. This ensures that each of these boards is securely fastened to a stud in several places. Continue this process until all boards are securely fastened to the wall. Now you're ready to place and install your vertical boards to the wall aligned to your design markings. Start with the top boards and level each board to meet your design lines as you work your way down. For boards that don't align exactly with your studs and are bowing out, place your nails at a 45-degree angle to firmly secure your primed pine boards tightly up to the wall. Once all boards have been installed, you'll be ready to prep for painting. Fill all of your nail holes, along with any gaps between your boards, with nail filler. Once your filler is completely dry, you can use a sanding block to sand the filled gaps and holes to a smooth, even finish. Remember to brush and vacuum up any remaining sawdust before you begin the painting process. Pro tip: for a more finished and professional look, you can apply painter's caulk to your primed pine board edges between the boards and the wall. Use your finger to create a smoothed finish. Before painting, tape up any wall edges you do not want painted. Start painting your wall at the top and work your way across and down until completed. Apply as many coats as needed to achieve a smooth and even appearance. Primed pine boards have a stable, consistent pine substrate and are ready to paint. Primed pine boards are made from 100% pine and are kiln dried for stability. They're double coated with a water-based exterior latex primer over a fiber and resin smoothing agent for added durability and a superior finish. Primed pine boards.